I've got a house of my own, no I don't need you. I've got a bed to sleep in and I don't need you. I've got my own front door, no I don't need you. I don't have to let you in, 'cause I don't need you. I've deleted your number just in case I felt weak. I'm no longer on Twitter or anywhere you used to be. And I'm keeping busy with something on every night. I've got a house of my own, no I don't need you. I've got a bed to sleep in and I don't need you. I've got my own front door, no I don't need you. I don't have to let you in, 'cause I don't need you. I've taken up dancing and photography to fill the time. I'm hoping I might meet someone whose interests align with mine. But I'm not in a hurry. Really, I'm doing just fine. I've got a house of my own, no I don't need you. I've got a bed to sleep in and I don't need you. I've got my own front door, no I don't need you. I don't have to let you in, 'cause I don't need you. And maybe that's as well. You haven't even tried to change my mind.